Don't expect got an offer. So let's get off. Now I'm going inside and I will peach and apricot. So hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are doing great. This is Anjali Karki and I welcome you all in my new vlog. If you guys new over here, I want to tell you a little bit about me. My name is Anjali Karki. I am from Pithoragarh. I create vlog in English to learn this language and to be fluent in this language. So guys, we are going to jump out today. Here is my husband and here is my Gola Mola. She is getting sleepy. So let me tell you what is the reason to go here. Actually, I got a call yesterday from a school if I'm interested there. So I have to come here for demo classes and for the other discussion. That's why I am going there with Puchu. Actually, I love to deal with the students and I'm searching an institution where I can serve and I can use my skills, my knowledge, whatever I gain through these years. So I thought let's go there and life is itself giving me an opportunity to definitely I should grab it. Right, Puchu? Yes. So I'm going there. But still there is a lot of thing to discuss. You know what guys, the main thing is salary. So everything we have to discuss, and if everything will be good, then only I will join. Let's see what happened today. So wish me best of luck. And it is about 5 kilometers from Lohagat. Right? 5 kilometers. Yes. So it is a distance of 5 kilometers from the Lohagat where I live. Let's go there. And yes, I will not make their vlog because without permission we can't take anyone in our vlog or we can't shoot vlog. And it's a school, so they have some privacy as well. So I will not shoot vlog there. But whatever will happen, I will definitely inform you. We are heading to the location. Actually, we are about to reach there, but still we are not at destination. We are about to reach and meet our driver G. Driver G, don't expect that he will say any word and we will say any word from him. He is a camera shy person, guys. He don't like to come and he don't like to face camera. But I'm just opposite of him. So we are whole apart. Golu, where are you going? Where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Nanda. Temple. Oh, guys, I told her in morning that we are going to a temple. And this is the school from where I got an offer. So let's get off from car. Guys, I'm at the school campus and now I'm going inside and I will definitely try to put my 100% effort because as you know, first impression is the last impression. What we discussed there, I will definitely tell you. But before that, I want to show you something. We are taking rest for some time here. Actually, there are some fruits, pahadi fruits actually, plum, peach, and apricot. So Puchu is getting for me, and we have to ask for some, the rate of potato. Actually, our Lohagat is very famous for the varieties of potatoes like Simla chapta potato, Jalandhar potato, and these potatoes are really so tasty. That's why we are here to ask the rate, and if the rate will be reasonable, so definitely we'll buy some. And if it is not It should be under 30 because we asked in Loha Garden so many places it was 20, the rate was 25, but here we asked and the rate is 20 30. So definitely we are not going to buy because we will buy from the Loha Garden, sorry. Mm, and here they are selling kafal as well. Merica escalata, the famous fruit of Uttarakhand, the summer fruit actually. I'm gonna tell you what we actually discussed there. I mean, in school. Actually, I am searching as a science teacher, especially a chemistry teacher. So they were offering me to teach, physics at 11th, 12th. But oh my God, it's not a piece of cake for me because I can handle physics classes. Because if one is teaching physics class, so it should be very, knowledgeable and he should good command on that subject. And it was very small discussion, hardly run for 20 minutes. So guys, we bought some plum. Actually, these are pahari fruit or the seasonal fruit. This is the seasonal fruit of summer. So we bought half kg of plum and half kg of peach. And these are very sour in taste. Sorry. And you know what, guys? These are used for multi-purposes. We can make chutney of this. Okay, we can use as them salad. So guys, we have reached at our city, Lohagat. Hmm. And we had to buy a regulator for gas. I mean for our cylinder. So we are getting out of our car to buy a regulator in near the gas office. We get know for the first time that if we want to buy a regulator from gas office, so we have to submit the old one. Only then they will give us new regulator with the gas book as well. So now we have to buy from market because we have to buy this regulator for our hometown. Let me show you the traffic jam, guys. You know what, guys? Our Lohaghat market. I mean the region of this region of our Lohaghat market. It is always famous for traffic jam. Whenever we pass through this route, we stuck in jam for hours. You will not believe, but it's reality. Good guys, this traffic jam. The road is very congested, so whenever we pass through this road, we really stuck in jam for hours. Hey guys, we stuck out of this traffic jam and going towards our room, but still we had lots of work at market. I think he had so many work. Guys, again we are stuck in a jam. And today's vlog. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll meet you soon with a new vlog. And keep watching the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.